Love's overrated.
Hi, this is me and Brittany. Hi. She has a pineapple and a
pineapple.
We are going to speak in different accents.
I can't do accents.
I'm going to be British.
I can't.
Yeah, you do that one coming.
Or accentuate your T's like they don't do. You know what, Michelle? That's for you. Yeah.
I didn't see it.
Yeah, you'll see that later.
Okay.
Yeah. So, would you like some tea?
Oh yes, please.
That's Brittany being British. That's the best thing ever. No, it gets better. Here's John. Here's John.
Brittany.
Second, am I really wrong?
Don't use.
Let's get away from John. Say hi, everybody.
Don't leave me. Love me.
Ryan! He's gonna break the camera!
Battery's going dead.